I'm going to be cutting a hand warmer open. Alright, let's get right into this. If I can get my chair set here. Alright, here we go. Alright. Alright, right here. Right here. These little pellet things. If you can see that. These little pellet things, you have to shake them, then they activate. Alright? And I'll be right back. There's loads of them in there. Look at that. Look at that Bentley gang. Alright. Alright. Let me find the trash can. Right behind me. Alright. Look. Ready for this driving motion? That's it. Okay. You could have saw that. Alright, that was the video. It's called What's Inside a Hand Warmer. That'll be on the title. Leave a like. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Alright. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.